Trust. To trust in yourself is something you're going to hear many gurus and teachers tell you. And they are right. You should be trusting yourself. But they stop there. And that's where the error is. You must also trust in God. For if you trust in yourself, the creation, you cannot deny the Creator. If you deny the Creator, you are essentially denying yourself from the ability to do and perform the way that your Creator functioned you to do. Understanding that you are made in the image and likeness of your creative source gives you tremendous power. And unfortunately, it's one many are abusing or misusing today. Trust that God has given you everything that you need to surpass any challenge or difficulty in your life right now, because you are the child of the Creator. So if you understand how to trust in God and thus trust in yourself, you'll have all the power that you have instilled in yourself from God to be just as God, wholesome, pure, loving, and a joyful human being.